Jason here with Service Detectives, bringing you another one of our Top Tip Tuesday videos. We've talked about GFCIs before in troubleshooting videos and in my video discussing the latest electrical code changes. This week though, I want to give you just some basic information on what GFCIs are, how they work, and why you need them in your home. What are they? Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, simply put, are safety receptacles or breakers that protect us from getting electrocuted. Technically speaking, it works by comparing the input current on the hot side to the output current on the neutral side. If there's just the slightest difference in current, they trip to help protect you. Pretty high tech, huh? To reset them, you push the reset button on the receptacle, or you reset the breaker. If it trips again, more than likely there's a problem. You need to stop and call a professional like Service Detectives for further evaluation. Where are they? GFCIs have been around since the 1960s. Every few years, the electrical safety codes are updated. Now, GFCIs are required around wet locations such as bathrooms, kitchens, basements, garages, your outside receptacles, and there's a few other places as well. Why do you need them? Typically, one of the first things checked on our electrical safety evaluation is GFCIs. That's how important they are. GFCIs have saved millions of lives over the years, and you and your family's safety is no exception. Unfortunately, there are still millions of homes that do not have them. Statistically, 2/3 of all electrocutions in U.S. homes could have been prevented if people would have just installed GFCIs. For what they do, they are a small price to pay for peace of mind. There you have it, our top tip information about GFCIs. If you're unsure if or where you have GFCIs in your home, or you'd like to book one of our whole home electrical safety inspections, which includes testing your GFCIs, give our friendly team a call at 618-993-HELP. That's 618-993-4357. Or you can book online at servicedetectives.com. I'll be back next week with more top tips, but in the meantime, remember, we care more because your family is our family too.